Hi, it's Zach, and I'm really excited to bring you today's deal on the Viper Nano Drone. This is a small quadcopter that is just so much fun to fly, and it's great for beginners and experienced drone flyers alike because there's actually two different sensitivity modes. Sensitivity 1 mode is actually flight assist, so it's great for beginners. It has an auto launch, which makes sure that the drone doesn't go flying up into the air and hit the ceiling or get out of reach of the remote, and you have to go find it if it drops out of the air. Now, the auto land is also really great too. You don't have to maneuver this yourself. You just hit that button and this will land all by itself. Now you see that there are altitude buttons on here. That's actually your auto hover function, so you can decide within 1 foot increments where you want this drone to hover. Now sensitivity mode 2 gives you total control over the drone. You can take off yourself, land yourself. It gives you more maneuverability and makes the drone even faster. Now one of the coolest things about this is that it has a stunt button. Now you use that in conjunction with the joystick, and you can do barrel rolls and flips depending on which way you turn the joystick. Now what I love about these drones, the Viper has a very durable, flexible body, so if you run into a wall, it's going to absorb that impact quite well. However, if you happen to break one of the blades, it does come with 4 replacement blades. Now one of the coolest features about this is that it actually has a complementary app, which is a virtual flight simulator, which has the same exact controls as the actual Nano drone. So while you're charging this up, you can go ahead and practice on your mobile device so you're a pro when you get back out there. It's a great tool to practice with. We have a fantastic deal on this drone, so head on over to the site and grab yours today.